Okay, back again, emoji unboxing. So I tried to unbox the package since it is already 3 packages. So I decided to unbox it for one of the packages not actually mine. So I'm just curious about what my brothers tried to mod, and it is actually pretty weird since I don't really understand about the FPV drone. So I'm not sure how it is actually work, because I think it's just some sort of radio frequency connected to the display on the virtual reality glasses. So that's the reason why it can cost around $80, I guess, I'm not sure. So the first one is basically pretty unnecessary, but I just wanted to buy a movie that I haven't watched, so it's actually a sequel from quite inspirational Indonesian movie, because yeah, it was a story about one of the Indonesian president, but from his love perspective. So this is actually a sequel, and it's just already a third one, so it's most likely like a trilogy. But now the people is already gone, so I'm not sure whether there will be another sequel. So the second package is actually a coiled cables, the micro USB one, that I'm just trying to buy because I think it is still pretty in a good condition, so that's the reason why. But I eventually forgot that to bring the mechanical keyboard as well as the laptop to pass this coiled cable. So the mechanical keyboard that I want to use is the Vortex 5, which is one of the premium old mechanical keyboard, because it has a CNC aluminum low profile body, and I actually haven't turned on my MacBook Air as well, because it's been a while that I need to turn off the laptop. Besides, the storage is pretty annoying when I try to render almost an hour of emoji gaming. So yeah, that's the reason why. So the coiled cables is, it's not basically coiled cables, it's just regular Aviator's one that can be plugged in, and it is not really the one that use a slim connection. So this is pretty common, but since it is created by some local brands, that basically pretty expensive if I try to order new rather than secondhand. So that's the reason why I still haven't bought the mini USB Aviator. I do have the mini USB coiled, but it is actually from manufactured in the factory, so it is basically not sleeve using paracord. So yeah, but I'm not sure where is those cable, because it was actually sent by the previous mechanical keyboard owners, which is the Vortex Poker 2 that I actually already sell. So it's really good seller, because I just remember that I forgot to send those coiled cables, but I don't even realize it at the moment that I receive the keyboard, because it's most likely like this. So he's willing to pay the shipping costs from his side, which is quite inspirational for this kind of seller. So the Vortex 5 is currently use the shimmering XDA profile, but since it was basically pretty low profile, so it has different sound like the XDA that I tried to install on the Vortex series VX64 on previous videos, so that's the reason why. And also the switch is also obviously different because this one is not hot swappable, but it is already equipped with quite rare, maybe even though my Leopold is also used the same exact switches, which is the Cherry MX silver switches. It was a red, it was a linear switches, but like red or black, but it is actually a little bit heavier than the red, but not as heavy as the black. So that's the reason why, for some reason, it's still make you type fast without having to do many typos, like when you try to do it on the red, which is very light because it's just meant to use for gaming rather than this, which is more dedicated for typing perhaps. So it has pretty unique layout, which basically inspire many other custom mechanical keyboard layouts, such as the BV, which is the Soundpro 75. So the mechanic, so the numpad is actually on the other side rather than the right side. So yeah, that's all.